So what you did to get the 900 was absolutely correct. You had your 16 watts times the 15 hours. The only challenge here is this is actually just 900 watt hours. We're not in a kilowatt yet, but we can get there by doing 1000 watts is equal to 1 kilowatt. And so you're actually looking at just 0.9 kilowatt hours that you'll need to pay for per day. So that was the first thing that we needed to do. And then just be careful with the cost. 11.9 cents, that is just 0.119, and that's per kilowatt hour. And when you multiply that, you'll get your answer. Now, if we do switch to our 15 watts with those 15 hours, then that's going to be 225 watt hours, and do the same thing. Just make sure that you convert this to 1000 watts per kilowatt, and then that'll give you the daily cost there. And then you are on the right track. Multiply by 365 to get yearly cost, and then you'll be able to make your conclusion and your comparison.